Here's JAGAT app. It's one of the alternatives for Zenly app. So let's just do a quick preview, how it looks like, how to use it. Um, so yeah, it says that I need to enable my location to be always. All right, so let's just do it. So of course, if you want to use this app as same as Zenly, as all the time, you need to have this feature enabled. And then this is how the app looks like, kind of similar to Zenly. You can just see your ID and then you can just share with your friends. But yeah, this is how it looks. You can see your current location, where you are now. Um, you can message your friends. You can add friends from contacts or by ideas. Scan QR code, invite more friends, or just you can search also by ID. So then you can just invite your friends from contacts. Then you can just enable your location. Uh, then the radar is now on. You can see now it's posted by other people. And this is just like people who just post some different things, for example, while traveling. So then, yeah, you can just see settings. You can add your account. You can delete your account if you want a ghost mode. Select some friends to change what they can see, either your precise location or your frozen location here in this app. You can also import Zenly data to this app. There is a tutorial. You need to log in to upload data, so you can also do that. And then you can see what's new. Just read it here. There are a bunch of apps which are trying to be alternatives for Zenly after it shut down. There is BFF app. There is this one. So let's see which app actually stays here. And yeah, so try it out. You can also customize your map style. You need to invite some more friends to unlock. But yeah, there you have it.